Today I want to introduce you to our flagship product, the Barracuda mount. When your Barracuda mount arrives, it'll be in packaging like this. Inside the package is the Barracuda mount itself and 8 die-cut neoprene spacers. Each Barracuda mount comes with a neoprene spacer kit. These are 8 die-cut neoprene spacers that allow you to adjust the inside diameter of each mount up to 1 full ½ inch in 1/16 inch increments. Please refer to the installation tab to see a video on just how easy it is to install the Barracuda mount on your vessel. The Barracuda comes in 4 different sizes that covers tubular railing in diameters of 2½ inches all the way down to ½ inch. Barracuda is designed so you can have 2 cameras attached to a single mount just by adding another attachment arm. In this setup, you'll see I have my camcorder facing downstream and the GoPro facing upstream. The mount body on the Barracuda is made of glass-filled nylon, which is extremely lightweight, durable, and resistant to marine environments, including saltwater. We are also RAM authorized partners, and we include their swivel ball and arm attachment on our mounts. All the hardware on the Barracuda mount is stainless steel and aluminum. This mount is truly marine grade, and we stand behind it with a 100% lifetime guarantee.